Do you want to travel somewhere your friends have never gone before? Be the first person to step foot on a whole new planet? Say you climb the highest mountain in our entire solar system? Come visit Mars today and make these dreams your reality.
Before we jump in, let us tell you the myth about Mars, our namesake. Mars was the Roman god of war and was considered to be more sensible than Ares, the Greek god of war. He was in charge of defending the city's borders. Mars is the father of Romulus and Remus, the founders of Rome, and was tricked into marrying Anna Perenna.
Are you afraid of traveling? Don't be. Orbiters including Odyssey, MRO, and Maven have all made successful trips out. Their journeys include studying the upper atmosphere, ionosphere, geology, and climate of Mars, and scouting out any hazards that future visitors like you may face. Don't worry though, we personally removed any of these hazards.
And just recently, the Perseverance rover made a successful landing on Mars. Perseverance is searching for traces of life, which can be possible because of the discovery of sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and carbon, all of which can support living microbes. Perseverance landed on a dried-up lake and will be drilling out samples to later be picked up and brought back to Earth for further research.
With a volume of 0.151 that of Earth's, that is 1.6318 times 10 to the 11th kilometers cubed, and density of 3.9335 grams per centimeters cubed, this beautiful red planet gives you plenty of vacationing space. Don't have much time? Do not worry. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system with a mass of 6.4171 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms. That is 0.107 Earths. A weekend trip will be plenty of time to enjoy this iron oxide surface planet.
Mars has almost an identical rotational period to Earth's, coming in at an astounding 24 hours and 37 minutes. But with those extra 37 minutes, you can pick up a new hobby, like space hopping or bungee flying. And you get 2 Earth years for 1 Martian year. A 2-in-1 deal. 1 year on Mars is 687 days, while on Earth it's a mere 365.
What should you bring on this fine journey? Make sure to pack some sunscreen with minimum SPF 235 to help protect you from the thin atmosphere. Although Mars's atmosphere makes stargazing a wonderfully unique experience, don't forget to put on your sunscreen. While stargazing, make sure you differentiate between Deimos, Mars's smaller moon, which can look like a star because it can shine as brightly as Venus at full moon, and also enjoy the blue sunset.
Mars may look like it's burning hot, but thankfully looks can be deceiving. Due to Mars being about 141.6 million miles away from the Sun, Mars is on average negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit, a lovely contrast to the weather we experience on Earth. But the weather can range anywhere from negative 284 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, so be sure to pack wisely. In addition to sunscreen, do not forget to bring some warm clothes and bundle up for a great time.
Are you annoyed by the constant flowing of water on Earth? Well, that won't be a concern on Mars. While there are traces of water on Mars, we made sure that Mars is all dried up for your visit. However, we made certain that you can still enjoy surfing. How, you may ask? By dust surfing. Instead of being wiped out by shark-infested waters, you can enjoy the dust particles seeping into your lungs while you surf along Valles Marineris, an extensive canyon system located along Mars's equator.
Did you ever want to be an explorer like Dora the Explorer? No? Well, you can still be an explorer, but don't forget to bring some climbing and hiking gear. Mars has Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system, and a cratered, rocky surface that makes it the perfect hiking destination.
Want to visit some of the smallest moons in the solar system? Take a shuttle to Deimos and Phobos, the 2 moons of Mars. You better visit Phobos soon because within the next 50 million years it will crash into Mars, or its gravitational forces will break the moon up into millions of pieces, forming a ring around the planet like Saturn. If you ever wanted to experience space jumping, Phobos is the place to go. With a gravitational pull of only 1/1000th that of Earth's, you can enjoy space jumping like there is no tomorrow.
Are we forgetting anything? Oh, Last but not least, definitely make sure to pack your stretchy pants and indulge in some all-you-can-eat Martian buffets, because with the gravity of only 3.72076 meters per second squared, you'll only weigh about a third of what you do here on Earth.
If you remember to bring nothing else on this amazing getaway trip, the bare minimums to bring are sunscreen, warm clothes, hiking gear, water, and some stretchy pants. Oxygen will be provided upon arrival in addition to the 0.1% of oxygen already in the atmosphere, but be sure to pack enough for your trip out.
We're your travel agents, Makenzie and Amanda, and we're here to help. Call 1-800-FLY-TO-MARS and we'll help you plan your itinerary, transportation, lodging, and fun adventures for you to enjoy.
We are not responsible for serious injury or death caused by hypothermia, lack of oxygen, intense UV rays, dust storms, or dehydration.
Visit Mars!